everyone. Well, today Gaga Joy's cooking. You know who I am. We're going to be making one of my favorite salads. It's just a corn vegetable salad. I've got 2 cans of corn here. Now, the corn, this is canned corn. You can make it with frozen corn, which is wonderful. Fresh corn, which is really wonderful after you cook it. But it's it's sort of this amount of corn, regardless of which one. I've got a little bit of cilantro here. I'm going to put it in there and get out of my way. If you don't like cilantro, leave it out. And a red onion or purple onion, whichever floats your boat. This makes it pretty. You need onion, of course. That looks pretty good. Pretty good amount. Okay. And before we go any further, we'll make the dressing. It's half and half mayonnaise. Use your mayonnaise of your choice. I'm going to do about a half a cup of each. And sour cream. Same thing with that, about a half a cup. It makes a pretty heavy dressing, which it needs. And you can put in, if you want to, you can put a little bit of ranch in it, which I had a package. I thought I'd put a little bit in. I'm not going to put very much. About a half teaspoonful. And if you like black beans, which I don't, you can put some black beans, just rinse them and put your black beans in if you want to. I've never been a black bean fan. Red. And of course our pretty peppers. But I just love, I never have had real good success at growing red peppers. They get pretty big, but never have a good thickness to them. The other day I was making a video and I didn't cut it off. So for about a half an hour, I was moving myself around the kitchen, and my son picks up my videos and he takes them home and processes them for me. And I told him, I said, I don't know what you're going to do, but you're probably going to hear me talk through the whole video. Now, up to you. This is a little jalapeno. You don't have to put a whole lot in it. Put a whole lot. I did take the seeds out, taking the membranes out. They're about the only real thing in the jalapeno that's hot. I love them though. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, 1 cucumber. You can use any kind of cucumber. I do like these English cucumbers in the winter. In the summer, I'd rather have fresh cucumbers, but I'm not a real big winter cucumber fan. thing about it, you don't have a lot of seeds in these English cucumbers. If you do, you can put a little bit out. I sometimes cut a little bit out, but not much. This gives you a good crunch to them. The cucumbers do. And of course, onions do too. But it'd be very good anyhow, I have to say. Lot of cucumber. Okay. Look how pretty that is. And cheese. About 2 cups of cheese. Good 4 cups if you want to. Yeah, I think that's good. And you know, just a little bit here and a little bit there is making a great big salad. Okay. Now, I'm not putting salt on it, just if you noticed. Because our topping is Fritos. Either Frito plain or Frito barbecue. That'll be up to you. Here's the other thing. I don't put the Fritos until I'm ready to serve. If you want, like, just get you a little bit, then you put your, but if you're going to, you know, of course, serve a meal at the table, I would just spread it over, put them on the table if they want any more, but that's really what makes this an outstanding salad is those Fritos. I like the corn tapes better, plain ones. Some of my kids like the flavors, so I always chili cheese. I always get both for them. But I'm gonna tell you, this is a salad that will be eat down to the last little bit of cheese. It's that good a salad. So I hope that you'll try it. It's wonderful. And there's just that little touch of jalapeno pepper. It's not even hot. You can feel it in the back of your throat. You know it's there. It's that good. Well, I hope you're going to try this because I'm going to tell you this is one that I would recommend highly. I make it real often. I've never had any to put in the refrigerator. I know that. Try it. Enjoy it. Add what you want to. Take what you want to out. And enjoy the day. Go get you some ingredients. Remember the joy. See you soon.